What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over today is May 19th 2022. We're going to be going over today's trades, and we're also going to be going over yesterday's trades because I didn't make a video yesterday. um Yesterday I had a winning day, made about 2R on my money, and today I lost about 2R on my money, meaning I was risking 1 to make 2, but I ended up losing 2, and I'll show you guys what happened. So stay tuned. This is the May 18th chart, as you guys can see. So I go back over here. Walmart had a clear push down from pre-market and has been having huge selling pressure the last couple of days. So what I was looking for in this trade was a short position. So what ended up happening is Walmart find this morning support level. Had a morning support level here that stayed true right before market open, and had a pretty lower resistance level compared to what it had up here. So as you guys can see, we have a clear downtrend, and I was looking to play in the favor of this momentum. So I took a position at 9:59. As you guys can see, I have it circled. I took a position at 9:59, and my stop was about it was about 50 cents. So I had a 50-cent stop, but in complete honesty, I had bought it when it touched here, and right after it had got bought up here. And I told myself when this happened that if the stock can break and hold over 126.50, I would be looking to get out of my position, because as you guys can see, we're trading in a tight area of consolidation. There's clear supply and demand areas. uh you're getting buyers that are buying this up here and sellers that are holding it down here, and this creates like jumping moves, so I was expecting it, and I told myself if it broke 126.50 and had a closing candle and held above, I would be looking to get out this trade. But it ended up being sold right back down, and then the move came after. I ended up selling my position at 10:02, so I actually ended up selling it at this candle 3 minutes later. Um, why did I sell this candle? Well, I sold into the candle because this stock hadn't had really much of a pullback, and it's already been a huge move that Walmart has been pushing down. I was not looking to get short squeeze, and I think I made about 2 to 1. I made about 2 on my risk, so I was looking to make, let's say, $10. I made $20. I made my target. I pretty much hit my target, selling it where I sold it. Now, was it the best trade ever? In complete honesty, I think it was a pretty good trade. Reason being, I hit my target and I just got out. I took my profits. I wasn't too greedy. I wasn't really fearful either. But at the same time, sometimes it's just good to let it pull back and just see where it can go. And you guys can see that. Uh, oh wait, wrong day. That it just continued to the downside and never looked back really. Um, but I don't regret it. It was a great trade. I made my money and got out where I was supposed to. Stuck to my plan and left it as it is and moved on. But alright, so if we go into today's day, that was my winning trade. Today I had a loser, but as you guys can see, we have a nice support level, as you guys see at this 36 level drawn out. This was my target. As you guys can see, clear downtrend the last couple of days. So I was looking for a continuation of the momentum, and honestly looking for looking to hit this 36 level, and that was my target. Yeah. So I was looking for a trade to the downside, anticipating the move, trading with the direction, trading with the trend, And as you guys can see, we have this morning support at this 36.40 level. We had this one consolidation period and a turnover, pushed down, created a lower support. It came back up, held over, and I got in at this 36.40 level looking for a continuation on the downside. Target would have been low of day and possibly $36 if we could have had a continuation in this move. The thing was, the market was, if I'm not mistaken, it was going down at the point. So I was trading with the market. I was trading with the SPY index, the S&P 500. You could also say I was trading with the SPY. Um, yeah, trading with the trend, looking for a downside move. Today was extremely choppy and really no continuation either way. As you guys can see, what ended up happening, really no continuation either ways. So I had ended up getting took out of this trade, you know. I took this looking for this 36.40 break. We had got it. I waited a little bit, started to push up. Okay, my stop loss was up. I think my stop loss was pretty tight. I was looking to just sell above this red candle, but I had took a position. My position was on. I took an options position, and I'm trading under PDT, so that means I only have 3 trades a day. And what had happened was when I took my options trade, it had took as multiple trades. Like it took 2, 3 fills, which was 2, 3 different orders. And I ended up hitting the PDT rule, so I wasn't able to sell until like right here, you know, double my risk, you know. But I was ready to pull the trigger here. I stuck to my plan. It didn't go the way I was anticipating it to, and that's fine. I was ready to get out, but you know, things happen. Um, I feel like it was a good setup. Was it the greatest setup? It wasn't a bad setup. It probably wasn't the greatest setup, but it wasn't a bad setup either. Uh, Trading with a trend once again. Target to the lows. Not a bad trade. Just the fact that I couldn't get out when I was supposed to. I ended up losing more than what I had to. But you know what? It's trading, and that's at the end of the day. I just try to keep my losses minimized. It wasn't a huge loser. It was decent, but yeah. So these were the last 2 days. This was May 18th and May 19th. My winning and losing trade. A little bit psychology on why I took the trades and what made me pull the trigger. A little reasoning why I sold it. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, you can leave them down below, and I'll be sure to answer them. So, yep, I'll see you guys tomorrow.